Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So in here, if you want to sync your CapCut projects into your CapCut projects on a PC, you can just upload your projects on mobile to the CapCut space. So for example, here I'm going to transfer this project into my CapCut PC account. So just click on the three dots icon under the project's name, and here click on upload to space and select the space. So here I have two space. I'm going to use this one. Click on the space and click on select. Now to see the progress, you can just go to the CapCut space, and in here you can see now the projects is on already on my space. So if you sign in with the same account with your CapCut both on CapCut PC and also mobile, it will automatically be on the PC. So if you open the CapCut PC, this mobile project that you upload before will be there. So you can also edit the projects on your computer. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.